You're a writer, you're a best-selling author, blogger. Why should I care? In a world that's dominated by 15-second TikTok videos, why should I care about writing?
You shouldn't care unless you do, you know? I think that writing is an opportunity to slow down. And, you know, we all understand the amount of noise that's coming our way these days. And if that's your jam, go for it. That all that hype, it's not bad, it's just a thing that's happening, but all that hype always gives way to something else, right? We're always kind of going from, you know, one extreme to the other, and that's how humanity evolves. So it's no surprise that as technology gets faster and as communication gets tighter, sort of, right? You know, you went from like the podcasts to 3-minute YouTube videos to now 15-second TikTok clips and reels and all these things. Very quick, very punchy. You're seeing that there's a resurgence of long form writing now, right? You're seeing that with lots of like Substack newsletter. You're seeing that if you're going to write something, I mean, when I started blogging 15 years ago or whatever, you know, it was like a 250 to 300 word blog post won the day, you know, that it was about frequency. And then Twitter kind of came on the scene, and it was about, you know, Twitter and Tumblr were like these micro blogging sites, you know, that was kind of what they were touted as. Right. And then like frequency wasn't enough, you know, like if you're going to write something and put it on the internet or put it in an article in a, you know, print piece of media or in a book or something, make it worth our time. Right. If it can be a 15-second video, if it can be a meme, then make that. But if you have something to say, and it takes some time to think about it, and it's going to take some editing to get it right, there are some things worth saying that take that amount of thinking, that amount of preparation, intentionality, and work. And those things are worth paying attention to. Those things are worth our time. So don't care about writing. If like, should you care about, I don't know. Like if what you're doing is working for you. But I would guess that as the world gets faster and faster, our appetites for slower, deeper, better, there will be an appetite for that. It doesn't mean that everybody will want that, but there are some people who are already getting exhausted from trying to keep up with the incredible pace of things. You ever like look on your phone and you're like scrolling through Instagram or something, and Instagram refreshes while you're doing that? This happens to me. Or like maybe I like pull up Instagram and I start reading something, but like it hasn't like refreshed the feed, and it'll immediately drop that. I'm like, where's that thing? I was trying to read that thing, you know? And it's gone. It's gone. Writing stays. Good writing stays. To publish oneself, even just on the internet, is a way of saying this matters, and this thing that matters, at least to me, is going to stay for a while.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.